Alright, I got the Humidity store weather station with atomic clock, indoor and outdoor temperature, all kinds of stuff this thing does. Let me show you what it comes with first, and we'll explain how it works. These things are pretty awesome. It comes with a power cable. It comes with this indoor unit right here and an outdoor unit. The outdoor unit runs on AA batteries. This unit you'll place outside, and this is how you get the outdoor temperature reading on the weather station here. It comes with a full set of instructions that tell you how to do everything in here. I think these things are really neat. I walk my dog twice a day, so I like to know what the temperature is going to be outside before I do that. Big help. It's got a nice color display on here. You can see the actual weather that I'm having right now out here. So let me go through the functions of this real quick. You can see it's got a calendar up here. It's got the atmospheric or barometric pressure on here. It shows you your air pressure history graph. You've got your indoor section and your outdoor section right here. You can see the indoor temperature and the humidity setting on there. And again, the outdoor sensor outside, it's reading the same thing. You can see what the temperature is and you can see what the humidity is outside. It's pretty high because it's raining right now. We've got the clock function on here, and we've got the moon phases on here, which is kind of neat. All kinds of stuff on here you can monitor. The way this works is it connects with a station out in Colorado. I've had another atomic clock, and I notice I'm all the way on the East Coast, and I have trouble connecting to the weather station in Colorado. For whatever reason, it just won't connect for me. Same thing with my other atomic clock. Same thing with this one. So if you're on the East Coast, you may not be able to connect to the main tower out in Colorado. I don't know if it's just where I'm located or what, but that's what's happening here with me in Delaware. The actual setting can be done in standard, or it can be done in military time. You've got an alarm feature and another alarm feature on there. We've got a backlight setting that you can change on here. Got a couple of feet here that you can use or not use. It's got two holes right here where if you wanted to, you could just hang this on the wall, easy enough. You can put some batteries in the back for backup power or keep it plugged in. It's up to you. If it won't connect to the tower in Colorado or whatever it connects to out there, you're gonna have to set this manually. And it's really not that hard. You just press and hold the mode button, you long press it, and you go into the settings, which I'll do right now actually, just to show you. Pressing and holding, long holding. So right there, it's telling me the tower, the RC's on for the outside remote, which we want. You can see it goes through all of the different settings, and you can change them with the up and down buttons if you want on the back. Whole lot of features on here, especially if you're into weather. You know, maybe you're on a farm or somewhere, someplace where you're working in the weather a lot. You just want to be able to look real quick and see what's going on outside before you head out there. This is a good way to do it. So if you're looking for a weather station with an atomic clock on it, you know, it gives you the indoor, the outdoor, the time, everything you need to get your day going. Check out this one by the Humidity store. Check it out.